How to change keyboard size on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change keyboard size on Android phone. First, then open your keyboard and then just click these 3 points here, and here we'll find resize. Click on it and here you can change your keyboard size, and then just click OK, and then just go back. It will be saved, and you can reset it if you want. Just click here and click this one, resize, and click reset, and that's it. It's easy. And that's how to change keyboard size on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.